Okay, this is Six Witted's first official match with Cena.
So this
No!
-1-on-1.
Damn!
The first competitor to score a pin or submission.
Oh shit, DJ is goddamn Jack Swagger. Goddamn DJ.
Matt Hardy says that when your last name is Hardy, you know no fear. You're not afraid to roll the dice.
Yeah, DJ. Yeah, give it to DJ.
That'll do some damage.
Fuck that. I don't trust you, DJ.
Look at the fire in Matt Hardy's eyes.
Throughout John Cena's career, he's never quit, no matter how tired he is, no matter how bruised.
I see you, DJ.
John Cena keeps going.
He's really going for it now. Oh, wow. Counter by Matt Hardy.
Goddamn Jack Swagger.
Matt Hardy likes to take risks. He doesn't know any other way. Oh, a face buster.
Orton goes behind. The Luthez press. And would you look at those shots?
Oh! Oh, look out!
This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages in over 110 countries.
Oh, man. That neck's got to be hurt after that. Matt Hardy just a bit faster on that exchange.
Cena. Matt Hardy reversed it. Cena controlling the head.
Oh, ow!
The Night of Champions event has become one of the most eagerly anticipated pay-per-views of the year. Tonight, every title will be defended.
Uh-oh. Wow, what an amazing move! Nice reversal. A great reversal by Cena. Neckbreaker. That was vicious.
What do you think Matt Hardy has to do here, King?
Well, look, this isn't his first rodeo. I mean, I don't think you can ever count him out of a match. Man, this has been a great matchup. Watch it! That was like a freight train. Yow!
Atomic drop. We all know about the guts and heart of Matt Hardy. So well documented.
That hand had a lot of force behind it. Oh!
Cena just one heartbeat quicker on that exchange. Matt Hardy always so driven and determined.
And that shot that just dropped Cena. Oh, mama!
Des press, and the fist come raining down.
Ooh!
What a match.
Counter by Matt Hardy.
1, 2. Cena continues to fight. Face first. That's just nasty.
Man, this is one of those matches you just like to sit back and enjoy watching.
A sharp elbow drop.
And Hardy just a bit faster on that exchange. Right in the kisser.
Cena from behind. Des press, and now a flurry of punches.
Oh, there it is.
He does it again.
These superstars are so unpredictable. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
After all these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future. You know, John Cena's no slouch when it comes to his ground game.
And the pain has to be shooting through his face. He's the most controversial superstar in WWE history. There is only one John Cena. And there's the Russian leg sweep. There's no question what Cena's thinking here.
That's right. You can't see me. Cena hits the five-knuckle shuffle. Cena looking for something big.
These athletes seem to have some attitude adjustment. Attitude adjustment.
Cena's gonna win.
Matt Hardy reversed it. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. This could be bad. Wait, what's he doing? No, my God, bodies are everywhere. Oh my, just raw, unmitigated power.
What a lethal series of kicks. Oh, big right hand. This arena is absolutely electric for John Cena.
The neck isn't supposed to bend like that.
Counter.
And here's a cover.
1, 2, 3.
Matt Hardy has done it.
Wow, shit, that was quick.